So good morning students of class 6. Today we'll see the exercise 5b. So we have to replace question number 1, we have to replace it by greater than less than sign. So question number 1 that is 2 by 9 and 5 by 9, which is the greater one. So this is a like fraction, so 5 by 9 is greater, so we'll put a greater than sign in this one. Question number 2, that is 3 by 4 and 9 by 12. So this is not a like fraction. So now here how we'll solve it? So in this case what we can do, we'll just write in this way and we'll just cross multiplication, that is 3 into 12 and 9 into 9. So 3 into 12 is 36 and 9 into 9 is 81. So which one is greater? 81 is greater. So 9 by 12 will be the greater fraction. So next number, that is 4. Similarly, in the same way we will do, that is 5 by 12 and 17 by 30. We have to find which one is greater. Again we will write this fraction and cross multiply. That is 5 into 30, that is 150, and 12 into 17 is 204. That is 204 is greater than, so 17 by 30 fraction will be greater than. So question number 2, 1. So here we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater number. So all this fraction, first we'll see if the fraction is in like fraction. So all the fractions are in like fraction, so we can easily find out which one is smaller. So 4 by 13 is the smallest. After that 7 by 13 is smallest. After that 9 by 13, and lastly 10 by 13. So in this order, this is the ascending order. Okay. Question number 2, question number 3. Now here the fractions are not in like fractions. So here what we will do, we will take the LCM of, first step is we have to take the LCM of 6, 8, 16 and 24. We have to take the LCM here in this way. That is 2, 3 times 6, 2, 4 times 8, 2, 8 times 16, and 2, 12 times 24. Again we will do with 2, 2, 3 is not divisible, so we will write 3 here. 2, 2 times 4, 2, 4 times 8, and 2, 6 times 12. In the same way we will do here like this, and we'll get the LCM. We get the LCM as 48. So now we have to convert these fractions into like fractions. Then only we can find out whether which fraction is greater and which fraction is lower. So we'll, first fraction is 5 by 6. Now 5 by 6 will write over here, and what we got the LCM, we have to convert, we will convert this fraction into the like fraction. In order to convert the like fraction, I have told you previously that we have to equal it, we have to bring 48 in such a way that it is, so in order to bring 48 at the denominator, we will multiply here with 8, and similarly we will multiply here with 8 in the numerator also. So the result is 40 by 48. In this way we change the fractions into like fractions. So in each fractions we will do the same way, that is 3 by 8. We have to bring denominator as 48 in order to change it into a like fraction. So 8 should be multiplied with 6, then only 48 will come over here. So when we multiply the denominator with 6, we will multiply the numerator with also 6. So 18 by 48. So in this way we will find this. So all the numbers will write at the bottom, that is 40 by 48, 18 by 48, 21 by 48, now 22 by 48. Now all these fractions are in like fractions. So now we will just arrange it in ascending order, means smaller to greater. So the smallest number is 18. So 18 by 48. After that 21 by 48, 22 by 48, and lastly 40 by 48. But this is not the original number. This has been represented by these numbers, that is 18 by 48 has been written in place of, so where is 18 by 48? Here it is 18 by 45. We get 18 by 48 from 3 by 8, so the number will be 3 by 8. In this way we will write all these numbers. So this is the answer. So 7 by 21 by 48 has come from 7 by 16, that is 21 by 48. Original fraction is 7 by 16, so we'll replace it by the original fraction, that is 7 by 16. So question number 5. Question number 4, you have to change it into like fraction and we'll see which one is greater. So you do it by yourself. That question number 5 now we will see. That is, we have to find 1 by 7 of 14. Of means multiplication. So 1 by 7 of means 1 by 7 into 14. That is, will cancel. That is in the table of 7 we therefore it is divisible by 7. That is 7. 2 times 14. The answer will be 2 into 1. That is 2. Question number 2, that is 1 by 8 into 400. What is 1 by 8 of 400? Of again means multiplication. So here we will cancel out. So 8 times 8, 5 times 40 and 1 0 will put over here. So 50. So in question number 8, what I have done, you read the question and we have to arrange it in, again in the we have to arrange the names of the children in order from the least to greatest. Least to greatest means again we have to do in ascending order. So I have, first step is that we'll take, so Payal got 7 by 15, Subh got 7 by 8, Raj got 7 by 20 of the chocolates, and Lara got 7 by 10 of the chocolates. So first of all we'll take the LCM of 15, 8, 20 and 10. So in the rough I have taken the LCM, that is 15, 8, 20 and 10. So we get, by solving this we get the LCM as 120. Now we'll change these fractions into like fractions, and similarly when we have converted it into like fractions, so I have written these like fractions. Okay, so we have been told to write the least number first, so least to greatest. So the smallest least number is 42 by 120. So 42 by 120, 56 by 120, 84, after that 84, then 105 by 120. Now this number has been represented by the original fraction, that is 7 by 20. So 42 and by 120 is written by 7 by 20. So in place of 42 1 by 20, the original fraction is 7 by 20 will write. Similarly in these fractions also we will write the same. So 7 by 20 was the fraction of whose? Raj got 7 by 28. So we'll write Raj. After that 7 by 15 was of Payal. Second was will be Payal. 7 by 10 will be of 7 by 10 will be of Lara, and 7 by 8 will be of Shubh. So 7 by 8 will be Shubh. So in this way we will write. So thank you students very much.